The next time I pawn this amplifier on the camera radio, here's the camera radio running. It's on FM because I have to key up on FM because it's a steady carrier where single sideband it's not. There's your Meritron amp. I got 1 meter light out. Sorry about that. But a light bulb can be obtained for that. I don't know why it burned out, but I bought it secondhand anyway, so whatever. That's the antenna tuner. It's set up for 40 meters. And he's set up for 40 meters. And we're on 7.206 megahertz, which is 40 meters. The scale on the L meter over here is currently, let me get that to focus, it's 1.5K. So that's 1500 watts, and it means that if the numbers are not 10, 20, 30, 40, or 100, 200, 300, 400, they are, yeah, they are 100, 200, 300, 400, sorry. So that, my friends, now it's going to do 550. And I want to do it for video. It's 600, almost 600 watts out of the Meritron amplifier. Without the Meritron amplifier, I had to change the scale down to the 150 watt range. The radio is transmitting about 70 watts or so. It shows 60 some right there. 70 watts the radio is indicating. And there's your rig that I'm putting in the pawn shop. There's your meter. He's on the high scale also, so if you're on the low scale, it should be 60 or 70 watts that I'm transmitting right now without the amp. You can go amp on. You can go on high down there. This is the antenna tuner. And he shows 500, depends on the way I hook it up. He's like actually second from the amp, so this meter over here is closer to the amp output. And he's showing pretty close to 600. I'm only transmitting at 71 watts. I can go 100 watts. Trying to keep the grid current from going over the top too far. You see the grid current is currently already over the top. This is the, we're showing high voltage right here. High voltage 1.6 kilovolt, or 1.6 and a half. 1650 volts, 1650 from the amplifier. Drops a bit when we transmit. Next bit. Next bit. And we have certain settings we have to go by, and we figure out how to do that as an amateur radio operator. And again, here we go. Almost 600 watts. Without the amp. Gotta change the scale. And we're doing about 65 watts according to that meter. 65 watts on a 150 watt scale. Amp on. Just gonna peg that thing. Yep, sure is. Change the scale to 1.5K scale, and there we are at 600 watts. Thank you for watching.